Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Belizean cheese dip. For this recipe, I'm using half pound of happy cow processed cheese and I cut it into cubes that just makes it easier to blend. To that, I'm going to add a 1 cup of salsa casera. Usually when I buy this, it comes in a tin, so I would use a 1 tin of salsa casera, but they didn't have any. We looked at a lot of different stores and we couldn't find any. The only thing I found was this one in the jar, so I'm using half of this jar, and that's just 1 cup. You're also going to need some pickled jalapenos, and make sure you get the one with all the carrots and onion. You pour it out in a dish and take out all the carrots and all the onion, and you're going to blend that. And you're also going to add some jalapeno and half of the juice to your blender. Now this depends on how spicy you want it. If you want it really hot, you can put a lot of jalapenos, but I'm only using 2 jalapeno because my hubby can't eat it spicy. But if it was up to me, I would put like almost all this jalapeno because I like it spicy. So you make it how spicy you want. Before you put your jalapeno in there, make sure you take off the stem. You don't want that. The very last thing you're going to add is 1 tin of evaporated milk. I'm only going to pour half in there and then I'm going to blend it, and then I'll stop it and check it and pour the other half. I know some people put sweet pepper in there and cilantro, but I don't put any of that, so if you put that in yours, you can go ahead and put it, but this is how I make mine. As you can see, it's so thick, so I'm going to add the rest of the evaporated milk and blend it. If you live in the States and you're wondering where I got happy cow cheese from, well, it came all the way from Belize. You just can't find it here in the States. And I'm not sure what you can use to replace it here in the States. If you know, please leave a comment and let me know below, because I've tried a lot of different cheeses and nothing seemed to work like that happy cow cheese. Look at that, look at all that deliciousness. Oh my gosh. I was so excited to eat this. I forgot how much I love cheese dip. When I tell you this brought back memories, this brought back memories. I remember going to high school and we used to always buy cheese dip in TCC, Toledo Community College. Oh my goodness. We used to always buy cheese dip and we break. I think it was $1 or $2. It must have been $1 because $2 seemed like a lot. But Miss Corinne used to sell cheese dip, and this just brought back all the memories. So when I decided to make this recipe, I made sure to get to a leaf foam plate and get their nice corn chips. I got especially in the Mexican store because only them have chips like this. These chips are more like the chips we get at Belize. They're really crunchy and hard. You know, the other chips then, they're just really light and crispy, but I wanted this to just have that feel, you know. So this just tastes like either back to Belize the eat cheese dip. Nobody can tell me nothing right now cause I happy. Ay ay ay.